Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a long to-do list? Struggling to keep track of your tasks and projects? Well, you're not alone. That's where Trello comes in. But here's a burning question. How many members can use Trello for free? Let's dive into that and explore the free plan's limitations and benefits. Understanding Trello. Before we get to the numbers, let's quickly recap what Trello is. It's a popular online collaboration tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks and projects. Think of it as a digital whiteboard where you can visually map out your workflow. The free plan. A quick overview. Trello's free plan offers a solid foundation for individuals and small teams. You can create an unlimited number of boards and lists and add as many cards as you need. This means you can organize your tasks and projects in any way that suits your workflow. Member limits. The crux of the matter. Now, let's address the main question. How many members can use Trello for free? While the free plan allows for an unlimited number of boards and cards, there's a limit on the number of members who can collaborate on those boards. The magic number, 10. The free plan of Trello allows for a maximum of 10 members to collaborate on a board. This means that if you're part of a larger team, you'll need to consider upgrading to a paid plan to accommodate all your members. Benefits of the free plan. Despite the member limit, the free plan offers several benefits that make it a great choice for individuals and small teams. Unlimited boards and lists. Organize your tasks and projects in any way that suits your workflow. Unlimited cards. Add as many cards as you need to represent your tasks and projects. Basic collaboration features. Collaborate with up to 10 team members on each board. Attachments. Attach files, images, and other documents to your cards. Power UPS. Enhance your Trello experience with a variety of Power UPS, including integrations with popular tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. Limitations of the free plan. While the free plan offers a good starting point, it does have some limitations. Member limit. Only 10 members can collaborate on a board. Limited Power UPS. You can only use a limited number of Power UPS on the free plan. No advanced features. The free plan doesn't include advanced features like custom backgrounds, priority levels, or due dates. When to consider upgrading. If you find that the member limit and other limitations of the free plan are hindering your team's productivity, it might be time to consider upgrading to a paid plan. Trello offers several paid plans with varying features and pricing options to suit your needs. So, to answer the question, how many members can use Trello for free? The answer is 10. While the free plan is a great option for individuals and small teams, it's important to understand its limitations and consider upgrading to a paid plan if your needs exceed them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.